Have you ever been staring at a Bitcoin chart, wondering if the next hourly candle is going to be going up or down, wondering to yourself, should I be buying now? Should I be selling now? Or should I be holding on to this massively terrible trade that I'm currently in? Well, that is a natural situation for anyone who is new to trading. I know that I've gone through this myself. I've seen many other people do it as well. And it is from the same issue. The issue is that you do not have a battle-tested strategy. A battle-tested strategy needs to be back-tested over time and preferably forward-tested as well. And that is why we created the Quantum Wayband Suite, which has been used now for over the past 2 years and has proven long-term viability with this beautiful edge and this equity curve that continues to go up and to the right. Even during some of the most tumultuous times in Bitcoin in recent times, we still continue to see this one producing positive results. Now, I want to state the obvious right at the beginning here. Just because you have a relatively high probability win rate strategy does not mean every trade is going to be a winning trade. Naturally speaking, that is not going to happen. That is impossible. You can see it on the chart right here. There are several times where there's going to be some losses, maybe even big losses. But over time, when you have an edge for a strategy that is in your favor, you can trust that that equity curve will continue to go up and to the right the longer that you are subscribed to it. That is the key here. And that is why we really focus on the Quantum Wayband Suite, especially for newer traders who just need a sort of roadmap as to what a real working strategy looks like. And for that reason, I have my full faith in this strategy, especially for newer people, to act as like bumper bands on a bowling lane. And I know for myself, I'm a terrible fucking bowler. Like I honestly hate it, to be honest, but at the very least, if I'm going to be bowling and throwing that damn ball down the lane, I want those bumper bands up because they keep that bowling ball from going in the gutter and keep it somewhat on target. And that's what this indicator script can do for newer people as well. You don't necessarily have to trade it exactly as it's suggested on the actual script itself. You can customize it to your own preferences. That's completely fine. But at the very least, it will be giving you objective indications as when a highly probable entry with an edge in your favor is available, as well as exits and most importantly, risk management, meaning that it gives you an objective indication that, hey, whatever current trade that you may be in is so unlikely to succeed that you better take the loss right now because it is just going to be getting worse. And that can and will happen. But naturally, it prevents you from getting wrecked and holding on to these trades with hopes and dreams of them turning around, which naturally does not necessarily happen. So the Quantum Wayband Suite is actually now available for 7 days free in the link description below for Teachable. There's no strings attached or anything like this. You can quit the next day if you don't like it. However, I feel so strongly that anyone who uses this, especially newer people, will find so much value in it that we provide that 7-day free trial.